Hello, my little ones. Wish you all a lovely morning. I am Nancy ma'am, and today I'm back with a new topic in general awareness. Till now, you all have learned sources of water, uses of water, and tips to save water. Today, we will be learning how do we get water. That is the process of water cycle. Also, different activities that pollute water and air. Children, we all are aware about different sources of water. That is river, sea, pond, lake. And who provides them water? Rain. But children, do you all know how does it rain? Let's check out the process. Sun, cloud and water are friends.
So, what happens is when sun rays fall on the river or any other water body, the water evaporates and forms into vapor due to the heat. Now, when the vapor goes up in the sky, small droplets of water go and sit inside the clouds. Now, here it condenses because it is very cold up in the
Sky.
and it forms clouds. When the clouds become too heavy due to excess amount of water, they spill water and it rains. And this is how the rivers and ponds and all other water bodies get water again.
तो बच्चों, वाटर साइकिल में 3 मेन स्टेजेस होते हैं: इवेपोरेशन, कंडेंसेशन और कलेक्शन। बच्चों, आपने कभी मम्मा को गैस पे पानी बॉईल करते हुए देखा है? राइट। तो जब पानी बॉईल हो जाता है तो उसमें स्टीम निकलता है, उसे हम कहते हैं भाप। तो बच्चों, जब पानी लिक्विड से स्टीम में बदल जाता है उसे हम कहते हैं इवेपोरेशन। क्या कहते हैं? इवेपोरेशन।
Evaporation is a process where liquid changes into gas or vapor due to excess amount of heat.
दूसरा स्टेज कंडेंसेशन। बच्चों, अब जब हम बॉइलिंग पानी को ढक्कन से ढक देते हैं तो क्या होता है पता है? ढक्कन ठंडा होने के कारण उस पे छोटी छोटी पानी की बूंदें अंदर की ओर लग जाती है। ऐसे जब वाटर वेपर ढक्कन पे लगकर पानी में बदल जाता है उसे हम कहते हैं कंडेंसेशन। क्या कहते हैं? कंडेंसेशन। When water vapor changes back to water due to cooling, it is called condensation. और अब लास्ट स्टेज है कलेक्शन। कलेक्शन ऑफ वाटर बैक अगेन इन ponds, rivers, seas and ocean. वापस पानी का भर जाना।
This entire process of evaporation, condensation and collection of water in rivers, ponds, lakes, seas is called water cycle. So kids, the movement of water between the atmosphere and the earth is called water cycle.
Kids, unlike water, air is also very useful to us. Let's see how. Air is all around us, even in the room that you are sitting right now. But kids, can we see the air? No, we cannot see the air, but we can feel it. All living things such as human, plants, animals, everybody needs air to breathe, right? So now let's see how air is useful to us through different images. As I said earlier, birds, animals, humans need air to breathe in and out. Air helps to push a sailboat forward. And have you seen the kites flying? How does it fly? It is all with the help of air. Plants. Plants not only require water but also require air to grow. If plants get only water and no air, then the plant dies. So, air is also very essential for plants to grow. Air is also required for blowing balloon, drying clothes, blowing bubbles, blowing candles. Kids, have you ever tried rotating a paper fan? Yes, here also air is used. Lastly, air is also used for filling tires. Now, let's learn different activities that pollute water and air. Images for water pollution. Releasing waste water in different water bodies such as rivers, ponds, lakes and oceans. Washing clothes in these water bodies. Bathing animals in these water bodies. And throwing garbage in water. So kids, when polluted water enters in these water bodies such as rivers, ponds, lakes and oceans, it becomes unhealthy for everyone. It kills fishes and other animals which depend on these water bodies. Drinking polluted water causes diseases and health problems to humans. Air pollution. Smoke from factories, smoke from cigarettes, burning garbage and smoke from vehicles. So kids, when air pollution takes place due to these activities, it causes headache and various diseases to humans, damage to trees, vegetables, fruits and flowers, and also animals face breathing problem and skin infection. Water and air are very precious and essential for our survival. So, we should not pollute them because once they are polluted, we cannot use them anymore and they become harmful to humans, plants and animals. Kids, now let's check out for the worksheet on pollution of air and water. In this worksheet, you have to tick mark the pictures that show air pollution and cross the ones that show water pollution. The first picture is of a smoke from vehicle. Next picture is of bathing animal in water. Next, we have washing clothes in water. Next picture is smoke from factories. Next, we have smoke from burning garbage. And the last image is releasing waste water into these water bodies. So kids, I hope you all have understood the entire process of water cycle and also the different activities that pollute water and air. Do complete the given worksheet. I shall see you in the next session. Take care. Bye-bye.